Students, online and offline. Good evening. Students and online, am I audible to you? Okay. So last session, we have started with inner loops concept is completed, students. Inner loops concept is done. I hope you remember that examples. How many types of inner loops? How many types of loops actually? How many types of loops? 2, 3 are. 2 types. 2 are used in 4 combinations. For loop in for loop, while in while, while in for in while. And you've seen many examples on that area. Okay. Today I want to tell you some more examples, some more new logics I want to say. Open the notes, all of you. All of you open the notes, students. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will write a Python program which will decide whether the citizen is eligible to vote or not. Decide whether the citizen is eligible to vote or not. Decide whether the citizen is eligible to vote or not. Decide whether the citizen is eligible to vote or not. Actually, it is very easy for you, correct? This is very easy for you. To do that, it is very easy, right? So open the PyCharm. Go to the door. Go there without asking you are coming inside. So how many days absent? 1 week, huh? 1 week. Like 1 week, weekly once if you come, how do you learn it? Come in. Weekly once, monthly once if you come like a supervisor, fans are running or not, whether projector is working or not properly like that. How do you do, students? So try to do something by yourself, students. Come in. So here, coming to this point back, now I'm going to enter into the further 9 AM loops, 6 AM loops I'm going to take. There's a lot of examples as done already in the class. Now I'm going to move forward some more variety of logics. Yesterday I told you edit plus. Have you started with? Worked on it after going to home? No. So you will not work it because you are working in international airports, CMO office, PMO office like that. Once if I say, you have to do it. Okay, students, it's your headache whether you will practice or not, but I will tell in the class. So go for that now. Voter example 1.py. Voter example 1.py. So there I am going to write it. How do you write? Actually, so Surya Nagarazu is saying already condition. Surya Nagarazu is saying condition already. So you can do this. So, but what you are expecting the logic, I'm not going to write it. First, I'll write the 18 years and all those things. Program for deciding what? Whether the citizen is eligible to vote or not. Eligible to vote or not. So eligible to vote or not. So there I am going to talk about it. There I am going to talk about it. Come on now. I'll write the code. Start up. Tell me. Age is equal to what can I do now? Say age is equal to input of enter age. Enter age. Now you are writing like this. Fine, students. We wrote it. Next, what are we doing there? You know, what code you are writing? I am writing as it is now. If age greater than or equal to what? 18. What the code you are writing? I am writing that. What code I want to write it? I will write in the next level. What is that? Years citizen is eligible to vote. Eligible to vote. Okay. dot format of age. Dot format of age. Else you will write it. You know this, right? Else. You will write else. What is this now? He is not eligible to vote. That's all. This is what you decided to write. That I wrote it. What you are interested to write it. So here you run this code. Enter the age. So I'll say 17. 17 greater than 18 is called false. Coming to that, not eligible. You run it once again here. Say 99 years. What is happening? Eligible to vote. Eligible to vote. You enter the things like what you know. Something 22, you write it. You will get what? Eligible to vote. Got it up? Fine. But this is going to be quite natural. Everybody will write it. The same example, I can write it in where? Edit plus also, right? Go to the edit plus, you know, because I want to show you here also new and others and say what? Python. You see, I just copied my code as it is. Now I'll save this code. I'll save this code. Control S under this place. Go to the place now. Here I am writing 6 p.m. Under loops only I will save it. Under loops only. Done. Go to the command prompt. You know how to go to command prompt, right? CMD command. You know CMD. So D colon. First I have to come to D colon. D colon you need to write because you are in where? C colon. D colon I need to write. CD means going to that particular folder. Folder name I gave it as what? KVR Python 6 p.m. Under that what? Come on. Their loops is another folder. Inside of that, lot of programs are there. One of our program is called what? This thing. Water example 1.py. What is py? Python. మీరు ఎల్కేజీ స్టూడెంట్స్ కు తక్కువ అసలు ప్లే గ్రూప్ కి ఎక్కువ. సో what is py is a tool to run the Python program. What is Python is also a tool to run the Python program. So see that, enter the age. Now I am saying 99 years. Is called what? Eligible to vote. Saying something like 13 years, not eligible to vote. Now the point is, this is okay. If it is coming in an exam, you will write it, you will get 100 by 100 marks or 10 by 10, whatever the total marks you'll get. But in software industry, dear students, all of you know, you see, go to Gmail once, Google you go. Now you check your mail. For example, I am entering my mail ID entered. Now I am entering my password. I am entering something wrong. I am entering something wrong. Enter the password. I say enter. It is showing once again enter the password. It is not coming out. When I entered something wrong, it is saying that it is not eligible and it is going to show what? Ending now. Program is ending. But my interest today is in real-time scenarios, when somebody enter wrong, they'll show what? Same message will be asking once again. Are you following? Enter the password. Again, I will enter. If I say correctly, it is again I'm entering wrong. Again, it is showing the same thing. I will enter correct here. I will enter correct now. It is entering into my place. Are you getting my point or not? That means if I say this if I say correct data, it is doing the operation. When I say something wrong, is it showing that invalid once again asking to enter or not? That type of logic I want to go for it. You take your phone pay. When you are entering your PIN number, it is wrong is entered. Again, it is asking or not? Like that. When you are logging into this online class, you are supposed to enter one ID or not? That ID is wrong. Again, asking that. Like that. Today, I want to rewrite my code, not in the old mechanism, old style, not academic practices. We want to go for real-time practice. That logics I want to tell you today. That is what I am going to take the next example. Go to others and say what now? Python. See that? Voter example 2.py. Tell me, students, what should I do? Age is equal to int of input of enter what? Age. Enter age of voter. Enter the age of the voter. Voter age you are taking. Tell me, when the age is valid, you do what? Stop the execution. When the age is invalid, you ask once again, enter the age, enter the age, enter the age. Until they enter which input? Correct input. Tell me, students, if, come on, age greater than or equal to 18, I am keeping some multiple conditions. Okay, first condition you satisfy. What you do there? You say age is greater than or equal to 18. I do some code here. I will write something here. Don't worry. I write some code. Don't worry. I will write next what? Else. Else earlier you have written what? Not eligible to vote and you came out. Today I don't write it. Today I don't write it. Today I am not writing. I will write what? Print off. See, as a statement text I am writing. As a statement text I am writing. What is that? What is that? I am saying \t, invalid age, try again, try again. Try again means I have to make it to go for the beginning of the age or not. I will make it to go. Invalid age and try again. Suppose if I enter 12 years, 12 greater than 18. False means it is coming to other statement. It is printing 12 years age is what? Invalid. 12 is what? Invalid age. And now I am going to say what? Try again. Try again means I have to make it to go to where? Beginning only. To make my condition to go back, I have to use looping or not. So I am writing what? Here I am writing what I should do it while in this place I need to write the condition, right or not? Which condition I will write it? That is the question mark, right? As long as you enter wrong input, invalid age, try again. Again execute, again execute, again execute. Until you enter what input? Correct output. Once you say correct output, I will apply today what? Break. Break is supposed to use inside the looping or not? Here I will write what you know. True, I will write it. What is while true? Continuously it is true. Continuously it is true. Once you say correct age, I am breaking it. Once you say break, what will happen? Once you say break, what will happen, guys? It will come out of the loop. It will come out of the loop. And once it is coming out of the loop, and I will say what? Years water is, come on, eligible to vote. Eligible to vote. Dot format of what? Age. This is the most important logic, student. This is the most important logic. Is it understandable? Start the flow. What is that while true? While true means what? Infinitely true this is. Enter the age, some 12 years. 12 greater than 18. False means it is coming to other statement. 12 years age is invalid. Try again. Try again means it is going to the loop or not. Again, enter the age. Something like 17. 17 greater than 18. Also false. Invalid age. Minus 22. Minus 22 greater than 18. False. Enter invalid age. Now I will enter something like what? 100 years. 100 greater than or equal to 18. True. True means what? Break means coming out of the loop or not. 100 years voter is eligible to vote. Did you understand? So try to run these students. Save this code under the loops only. I'll come to that. I'll verify. Once let me save it. So do that. Which place? Okay. Indentation symbol. Indentation. Palakando sare. అలా చెప్తే నాకు అర్థమవుతుంది. కోలన్ కామా అంటే అర్థమవుతుంది. టర్మినాలజీ నేర్చుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్. Say once again. Indentation symbol followed by what? Indentation block. Spell out. What is colon? What is next? Allow. Okay. Now execute the code. Execute the code. PY. See that now. Voter example 2. Enter the age of the things. Is it enter into the while loop or not? It is asking. Now I will enter here something like 14 years. What is the 14 year? False. False means other statement. Line number 7. Line number 7. See that 14 years. 14 years is invalid. Try again. Again asking or not? I'll say here what you know. Minus 44. minus 46 is called what? Invalid age. Enter this now next 12 years is called what? So I will say next 46. What is coming? Eligible to vote. Is a breaking and coming out or not? Able to understand? Right. Now here students, suppose if we want, I want to allow the person who is more than 18 years and less than or equal to what? 100 years. More than 100 years not allowed. Only helper will put the vote. Less than or equal to 100. More than 18 I want to allow. Will you write the condition? How do you write it? And tell me. Age less than or equal to 100. If both of them are satisfied, then you say what? Break it. Break it. Are you following? Even you can write what here, student, else also you can write it. Not an issue. Are you following? Because you are writing inside of what? While true only. Right now, enter this logic now. Come on, start with. Enter the age. 99 years. 99 greater than 18. And 99 less than or equal to 100. True and true. True. What is that? Break. Break. Now it is going to come. 99 years voter is eligible to vote. Now say 101. Start. 101 greater than 18. False. True. 101 less than or equal to 100. True and false. False means which part? 101 years age is what? Invalid. Try again or not? See, 101 years invalid age. Try again. Next I will do what? 234 years invalid age. 12 years invalid age. Minus 46 invalid age. Are you following me? Easy or difficult? So 90, 98 is called what? Eligible to vote. This logic you have to habituate from now onwards. I hope you got it right, students. Now, shall I move forward? Online students, did you understand this? The same example, dear students. Can I write without and operator? Can I write without and operator? I hope you cannot write it, right? Will you write or not? Tell me. Age is a variable, right? What is the age related thing? Come on. Age greater than or equal to 18. And the next is what? Less than or equal to what? 100. Can I write like that? Take the example called what? 20. 20. What is this now? 20. 18 less than or equal to 20. 20 less than or equal to 100. True or not? This is true. This is also true. True and true is called what? True. This is called what? Breaking. Suppose if I say minus or something like, 141. 141. Come on. 18 less than or equal to 141. True. And less than or equal to 100. False. So it is called false, else part. Like that it is repetition is done. See students, order example 2.py. 3.py. It is saved in some different place. So 3.py, go to this place, 6 o'clock. So loops here. Under that 3.py, go to the place, py now. See this now. Enter the age of the citizen. Say something like 123, invalid age, minus 12, invalid age, 12, and say some 999, invalid, minus 46 is invalid, and say some 99 years is called what? Valid. Are you following me? This is called the subject of what? Subject of what? While loop. You got it or not? Now I am going to move to the further. The same code you can write even in where? PyCharm also you can write it. Shall I go for one more example? Online students, is it clear? The main intention of today's class is while true concept is important for me. These are most important in real-time standards. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. Next line. Accept Lakshmi Ganapati is asking, how do you improve our logics, sir? How do you improve our logic, sir? I'll tell you my personal opinion and how I improved it. I already told once again I am telling because his student is asking. It's a continuous doubt to everybody. Only by looking at this thing, we cannot improve the logic. 100% we cannot improve the logic even you get 100 years also. How you can improve the logic? The moment when you reach to your home, you take a pen and paper, write the same program. How sir is taking input one, first input, asking if that input is applied, true or false. True means execute, false means execute. You repeat by yourself, you exercise by yourself by taking pen and paper. Only by looking at that program 1000 times never come. Are you observing it how I am explaining? Loop I am going to on repeating multiple times. Like that, if you take pen and paper and if you trace it out by yourself for multiple test cases, then only you can improve your coding. If not, only seeing, you cannot get it. Suppose mathematics exam is there. If you do mathematics, you will get thoughts to do it. Only looking at the mathematics, lifetime mathematics will not come. Are you following me? So that's why improve your logics, only one mechanism. After explaining the logic, take a pen and paper, rough paper, not rough paper, take one, keep one notes, trace it out. Case 1, case 2, how they are working. That is a way to improve your logics. And to improve the logic, it is a continuous process, not one day, half day, you can improve the logics. Such type of history is not there. You have to do continuously. Okay. Practicing is must. With the pen and paper you take, trace it out with case 1, case 2, case 3 like that. Right. Open the notes. What is written? Accept student number, accept student number, comma, student name, student number, student name, accept student number, student name, and marks in 3 subjects, and marks in 3 subjects, and marks in 3 subjects, such as C, comma, C, comma, C++, C, comma, C++, and Python, and Python. Okay, next line, A, point A, point A. Compute total marks, compute total marks, compute total marks, compute total marks. How do you compute the total marks? What is the formula? TOT marks is equal to, write down, bracket, in the bracket, TOT marks is equal to, TOT marks is equal to, TOT marks is equal to CM plus CPPM plus PYM. CM means C marks, CPPM, C++ marks, plus PYM, Python marks. Next, close the bracket. Next, another point. Compute the percentage of marks. 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 What is the percentage in the bracket? Percent is equal to, what is the formula? TOT marks by, assume that each paper is conducted. C marks conducted for 100 marks. CPP marks is conducted for 100 marks. Python marks also conducted for 100 marks. What is that formula, ma? Total marks by, total marks by secured marks, right or not? Total marks you secured or not? Suppose 90, 90, 90 you got it. 270 by what? 300. 300 into what? 100. Total marks by, come on, secured marks, that is a total marks, TOT marks, write down, total marks by, what is that? Secured marks by now, Adi, total already computed now, CM plus CPPM plus PYM, 90, 90, 90. Total subject marks, total subject marks into 100. Into 100. Don't mistakenly understand. Total marks means total secured marks. I mean to say total secured marks by total subject marks. 100, 100, 100. That is a 290 by, for example, 300 into what? 100. Okay, done. Next, another part, another point you write. So student pass or not, how do you know? What is the criteria of pass here? C marks is 100, it is conducted, and they took it as 40% is the pass criteria. And out of 100, 40% means if you want to make him pass, you need to say what? 40 marks you need to secure. C++ also pass marks is 40. Python marks also pass percentage is 40. So if any student is securing less than 40 in any one of the subject, the student grade is called what? Fail. C marks is called 99. C++ is called 90. Python marks is called 39. Pass or fail? Fail. Is a fail because he got less than 40 in one of the subject. Write down. Another point. Student is fail. Student is fail. Student is fail provided. Student is fail provided. Student secured less than 40. Student secured less than 40. Student secured less than 40. Student secured less than 40 in any one of the subject. In any one of the subject. In any one of the subject. You understand that point? Next, C students. Fail you are deciding first. Total marks. Failed student also will have total marks. Percentage also will be there. And grade you are giving. Grade means one is fail. Okay, because less than 40 in any one of the subject. Now grade is equal to pass. Grade is becoming pass only. How he is doing? He is getting 90, 90, 90 for example. So definitely 90, 90, 90. Less than 40 is false. Coming to what? Grade is called what? Pass. Under that pass, I want to take some slots students. What is the distinction in pass? First class in pass, second in pass, and third in pass. I want to take because of this lot of conditions, you will improve your logics. Are you following me? Tell me. Write down. Next one. Next line. Give the student grade is distinction. Give the student grade is distinction. Give the student grade is distinction. Student grade is distinction. Distinction provided total marks ranges from 300 and 250. Between 250 and 300 is coming. He passed in where? Distinction. Getting this? Fine. Next, this is one thing. Student grade is, write down. Student grade is first. Student grade is first. Student grade is first. Provided total marks ranges from 249 and what? 200. 249 and 200. 250 and 300 in middle if they get it. Which grade? Distinction. If you secure the marks between 249 and 200 is what? First. First of all, the student must pass. In the pass criteria, these are the things. These are all comes under what criteria? Pass criteria. Okay. Next, write down. Look at on the board once. Student grade is called what? Second. Come on. Student grade is second. Provide the total marks ranges from, come on, 199 and what? 150. 150. 1 minute. Look at on the screen once. Student grade is third. After this, you can copy down. Student grade is third. Tell me now. Ranges from where? 140. And come on. 120. 100 ever చెప్పింది 100 100 120 40 plus 40 plus 40 40 is what? 120. 100 coming means fail or pass? Fail. So apply some brain, you apply. So this you are deciding the grade. Next, what are you doing? Display total marks. Display what? Display students marks report. Display student marks report. Display students marks report. Student marks report. Display students marks report. Display student marks report. Are you able to follow this? Display student marks report. Got it up? Now let us how to implement this. And we are evaluating the students marks also, everything. Online students, is the problem statement clear? Now I'll go for the coding now. Let's start. Online students are able to follow me, guys? Now I'm going to start the discussion now. I'll start the discussion now. Very, very simple. Let's follow me carefully now. Let's start the coding now. The program in this class is how to generate the students marks report by using Python language. Let's start the discussion. Program for calculating. What is this? Student marks report. For generating, instead of saying calculating, generating I will say. Generating what? Students marks report. Students marks report I will go for it. Simple, students. Let's start. What is that now? I'll take it. Student marks report. Students marks report dot what? Py. Marks report 1 dot py. I hope you are following me now, students. So very, very simple now. Students marks report 1 dot py. Tell me now. What should I do now? I will accept what? First question, you see, first point. Accept student number, student name, marks. Like that I need to take. Correct? Tell me what should I do now? I will say, here I am going to take up. Here first one. I will go for accepting student number. What is the nature of student number? Student number should be what? Integer type. Moreover, what is not allowed? Negative number not allowed. 0 also not allowed. So how do you write it? Tell me. While true. While true, because this is a very, very important. While true, I am taking. While true. What I am doing there now? SNO is equal to int of input of enter student number. Student number. What is my student number? If SNO greater than 0, SNO greater than 0, say what? Break. Say what now? Break. Otherwise, just to say that, no need write else also. You know the subject already. \t is what? Invalid student number. Invalid student number dot format of what? SNO. SNO. This is called what? Validation of what? Validation of what here? Student number. Validation of student number. I can say simply enter student number because we are not writing the coding. Other person is running our coding. See, why to write this many lines of code? I can write simply these lines of code. Enter student number. You will also happy. Right or not? Why especially this class is discussing? Because this is the real-time coding actually you are writing. Because it's a long-term coding, you need to use it. While true logic is very important. Understood, students? Next is called what? Come on. Accept what? Student name. Student name. In further, once half an hour session I will take up. How to validate the names of the people. Names of the people means what? Only alphabets must be there. Between two words, one space must be there. Between three words, two spaces must be there. Between n number of words, n minus one spaces must be there. The type of logic I will explain to you. Okay, students? Right. So right now I will write it directly. What? Input of, tell me, enter. What? Student name. Enter student name. I'm entering student name. Actually, student name should not be null. Student name should not be alphanumeric. Student name should be only alphabets with one space or two spaces. That I will write it separately right now. Don't worry. I am not writing validation process for student at this time. In further, I will introduce that. Okay, guys? Good. Now I will go for what? Validation of what now? C language marks I will take it. Validation of what? C language marks. C language marks. Tell me now, what should I do now? Tell me. Already చెప్పాను కదా. While true. While true. C language marks are how many? 100 marks, right or not? What are the marks allowed here? 0 to 100. More than 100 allowed? Somebody is there in exam center, they are entering 123. Allowed? So, not allowed. -1 allowed? 0 allowed? 0 allowed? No, no. Not preparing anything, writing whatever you like it. 0 marks will come or not? 100 by 100 also will come. So that's why. Come on, tell me now. CM is equal to int of input of enter marks in C. Enter marks in C. So you are taking the same to same logic, student. Same to same logic you are entering. What is this now? Tell me. CM greater than or equal to 0 and CM less than or equal to 100. Say what? Break. Otherwise you say what? Invalid marks in C. Invalid marks in C. You are writing there what? CM. Is this code is clear? Yes. Now I will write it next. Invalid things. Validation of what next? CPP marks. CPP marks. Come on. Enter C++. Enter C++. What I will write it here? CPPM. Can you write in single line, right, students? 0 less than or equal to CPPM. CPPM less than or equal to 100. Break it. Otherwise, you say invalid marks in where? C++. Clear? Huh? Right. Similarly, I will write what marks also? Python marks. Validation of what marks? Python language marks. Python language marks, same to same. Enter the marks in which language? Python. Python, you take it. What is this now? PYM. PYM. Okay. PYM, I will take it. PYM, I will take it. Right? Same. Invalid marks in which language? Yes, Python. What is this now? PYM. PYM. Ma? Okay. Okay, student. Okay, guys. Now done. Okay, now? Finished. After finishing, I write lots of code, students. Lots of code I will write it. But at this point of time, I'll write some small thing. SNO, comma, SNAME, comma, CM, comma, CPPM, comma, PYM. Just I will run this code. Testing purpose. Execute. Execute, students. Go to your location, ma. Go to 6 p.m. Go to 6 p.m. Under that loops, you take it. There I will write it. Student marks report 1. You try to execute. Online students, see that student number is called -123. Invalid number 0. Invalid number 100. Yes, taken. Name. Name I am writing. I am writing here. Sanjay. I am writing here Sanjay Kumar. So Sanjay Kumar. Marks in C language is 123. Invalid marks. Marks in C language is -1. Invalid marks. Marks in C language is 56. Valid. Marks in C++ is 345. invalid. Marks in CPP is 3 marks, minus 3 marks, invalid. 45, it is valid. Python marks 134, invalid. Minus 4, invalid. And the marks is 50, it is a valid. See students, 100 is a valid input, Sanjay Kumar. These are the valid inputs only taken. And in middle of it, some invalid input asking, getting or not. Now I need to go for further moving now. Are you getting my point? Online students, did you understand this validation process? This while loop concept is very important, students. Getting? See, course completion is not a mandatory. How well we learn the course is important. Course completion, what? Already 21 years, every semester you completed a course or not? Certificate also came or not? Certificate will give Java. That's why anything we complete, some talent is required in that. Okay, now that's why. So memo is not important. Subject knowledge is important. Next, go for what? Decide the grade. Grade? Tell me, what is the grade deciding? Starter. First, fail or pass will decide. Fail or pass will decide. Tell me the fail logic. Fail logic, tell me. If CM less than 40, I will give you some gap there. You need to fill up that. CPPM less than 40. Next, I will write what? PYM less than 40. So this is one relational expression, another relational expression, another relational expression. I need to combine or not? Who will combine? Which operators I will use to combine? Logical operators. Which logical operator I have to use? Anda or Anda or raise hands. Okay, only 2 students. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, and operator, raise hands. Come on, correct. Wrong answer. Whoever says and, they are wrong. Somebody did not say anything. They are also first wrong people are those only. R is correct. I said any one means what? R. So చదువుకోరు మీరు అసలు అందుకనే మీకు difficulties will come. Because and R operator also you are unable to use. See, when you will come up, I don't know. Boys, take care. Think about your future. Now, CM less than 40 or CPP less than 40 or PYM, anyone, either C language or CPP or Python less than 40, fail. See, take care. C language got, 60. CPP got 70. Python got 39. Start. What is this now? Come on. True ide. EM students time 60 less than 40. True ide. ఎవరన్నా వింటే అసలు నాకు పేరు పోతుంది అసలు. 60 less than 40. పాస్. ట్రూ అని చెప్తున్నారు ఓపెన్ గా ఇంతమందిలో. అందరూ అదే. నో ప్రాబ్లం. నెక్స్ట్ 70 less than 40. False. And 39 less than 40. False or true? True. మళ్ళీ false. మిమ్మల్ని అడగడం చాలా కష్టం అసలు. సో ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ వాట్? గ్రేడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్? ఫెయిల్. సో ఫైనల్ గా ఫెయిలా పాసా? ఫెయిల్. 60 less than 40. చెప్తారా లేదా? 70 less than 40. 39 less than 40. True or false? False or true? False or true? True. What is that? Grade is fail. Okay, fine. Go to next. Else I am writing. Else. Now I am taking 50 got it, 60 got it, 42 got it. 42 got 3 subject. 50 less than 40. చెప్తారా క్లాస్ వదిలేయాలా? False. 60 less than 40. 42 less than 40. False or false? False. False means coming to where? Else part. Got it? In the L spot, what should I do? Grade is equal to ఏం స్టూడెంట్స్ అబ్బా మొత్తం బ్యాచ్ అంతా ఇక్కడే ఉంది. సో under the pass, what should I do? Distinction pass, first class pass, second class pass, third class pass. Correct? So you attended online classes of your BTech from first year onwards or second year onwards. 2020 you are in first year, second year, second year online, third year online, fourth year online. And now you are coming to Ameripet. Total online. Now coming to the point. What should I say now? Distinction passer, first class passer, second passer, third passer, like that. Now what is the criteria? Look at that. Here, distinction. What is the criteria here? 250 to what? 300. How do you write the logic there? Before that, before the decision of the grade, you need to calculate what? Compute what? Total marks and percentage. Right or not? Percentage I need to compute. Tell me, TOT marks is equal to CM plus CPP M plus PYM. Got it? Next what? Percent is equal to what? TOT marks by what? 300 into 100. Into what? 100. Okay. Now tell me, if TOT marks greater than or equal to, come on, 250, I will write it here. TOT marks less than or equal to 300. Then here I will write it. It is one of the expression, relational expression, another relational expression. I need to combine or not? What should I use? Under or? Are you seeing online chart window and saying or what? Under what? Under or? Raise the hands. Who said and? Confidence లేదు మళ్ళా. And correct. Or raise the hands. అంటే కరెక్ట్ అంటే కరెక్ట్ అని కాదు. Or raise the hands. Anybody? So you all psychology understanding psychology are number one. So and I need to use. Why? Range, I said. Range means what? You see the range. Here, what is the range? Ranges from. Means both of them are included. Included means compulsory what? And. You can also write this as in a single line also, you can write it. What is the grade now? Grade is equal to what? Distinction. Distinction you need to write it. Okay, start. L if total thing I will bring it, students. L if, tell me students, I am writing here total marks greater than what? 200. And what is this now? 249. What is the grade? Come on. First class. First class is the grade. Are you following me? Yes. Suppose you got 80. What is this 80? Come on. 240. Take it. 240 greater than 250. Huh? Sure. Right. Means it is coming to LF or not? 240 greater than or equal to 200. True. And 240 less than or equal to 249. True and true. Grade is first. Following? Right. 90. 270. 270 greater than 250. 270 less than or equal to 300. Grade is what? Distinction. And LF will not execute. You know that execution part. Next, similarly, what I'll write it? LF. Come on. Total marks greater than or equal to, come on, 150, 199. Okay. And this is what? 150. What is the grade? Are you following? Right. What is this now? 200. $200, $250. This is called what? 150. and this is 199. 199. Are you okay? Right. What is the grade? Grade is equal to what? Second. Second, you will write it. Next, what I'll write it? Come on. L if. What is this now? 120. What is this now? 149. 149. 120. Okay. 120. So it is called what here? Third. Third, I will write it. Done. This is about what? Complete logic is written. After that, what it is coming? Coming out of this if statement. If statement, if grade is fail, or grade can be what? Like this. Now I am writing, come out of that, display what? Student marks report. Student marks report. Student marks report, I am going to do it. Say the answer now. Print off something like this, I'll write it. Now I am writing here. Simply here I will write it. Print off what I am doing, /t. Student marks report. Student marks report. I am going to take up. Inside of it, I am writing what, /t. Student number. Student number, roll number. I am writing like this. Dot format of what? SNO. Next, I am going to take it what? Student name. Student name I am taking. What is this now? S name. Next, I am taking what? Student marks. Student marks in where? C. CM. CM I will write it. Next, I will write student marks in where? C++. C++ I will write it. So CPPM. CPPM. Now I will write it student marks in where? Python. Student marks in Python. I will write PYM. PYM. Okay. After that, print off what? Some small line I will say to print grading system. What is this now? /t. Student total marks. Total marks. I say dot format of what? TOT marks. TOT marks. Next is called what? Student percentage of marks. Percentage. Percentage of marks. What is this now? Percent. What is the variable I am using? Percent. Percent I am using. Percent I am using. Okay. Next I will write it. Print of /t. Student grade. Student grade I will take it. So student grade I will take it. Student grade. So I'll write it this part. Format of what? Grade I am taking. This is called a complete student marks report with validations. Try to run this code. Try to run this code. Go to the place. PY. Enter the student number. I'll say number is called 100. Next is called what? Student name is called Rajesh. Marks in C language is what? Something like 123. So marks in C language is -1. Some 50. Valid accepted. 456 -5 and say some 50. Python marks is something like 123 -5 and say some 50. What is happening? See that marks report. Number, name, marks 350s. 150. Percentage also 50%. Passed in where? Second. Next is called what? I say some number called 100. Say something like Sanjay. I'll say here marks in this is called 90. 90 and 39. 39. Fail. Fail. Right or not? Now. So next is called what? I say some 700. Rajkumar. So say there I will say 99. 100. Say something like 90. What is that? Distinction. Getting or not? Like this you can evaluate. So this logics, why student is not getting the logic? Because only we will look at the code. We will not take a pen and paper. We will not repeat it. We will not evaluate the cases. That's why we are not getting the logics. To get the logics, we have to go for what? Take the pen and paper and put your interest on the paper and all. How this is repeated and everything. Are you following? Now, so we are running this code for every time. Next one, I will write it. Every time we are running it. So to repeat more and more, to repeat again and again, for this I am writing. After this student report is coming, I will write one small option student. What is that option? Do you want to enter another student data? CH is equal to C. Input of, do you want \n? Do you want to enter? Do you want to enter another student data? Another student data. Another student data. In the bracket I am writing yes or what? No. Yes or no? Say what? Close it. Yes or no? Close it. Now, what is that? Yes, CH can be. If CH dot lower off, what is this now? No, if they say. They may enter capital no, small no, whatever it is. No, we are converting. What we are saying now? Break. Break means what? If they say yes, I'll continue it or not. So, students, total thing I will write in where? While true I am writing. Total I will keep it into while true. Very good logic. So here I am writing everything under indentation. Everything I am keeping under one indentation. Select everything and then press what? Tab. If they say no, I'll break it. Break means what? That is there inside of what? Outer while loop. It will come out of it. It will say break. Now I'll say something like this. Now I'm writing. Thanks for using this program. Thanks for using this program. I'll just say like this. And I'll say like this. Try to run this code, student. 2.py. 2.py. So this type of things you will come across many times, students. Execute. Out of that, py, student number. I'll say something like, like this. Like this, I am entering students. It is asking, do you want to enter another student? Yes. Student number is called what? Say something like 100. Say something like, Sagatika. So, like this. Enter the marks in C language 90. C++ 80. Python marks is called what? Sagatika, how many marks you will get from Python? Sagatika, tell me how many marks you will get it. Others should not say. Quickly, mark. 75. Okay. 75 because R is there now, that's why. So this is the marks you will get it. Do you want to enter another student? Say yes means again it will repeat. If you say no, what will happen? Break. So it will be coming out. Thanks for using this program. So you must have day by day by using good logics, you can improve. Are you understanding while true, outer while true, inner while true, inner while true? These are all called great logics. You must practice very well in the class. Okay, now shall we move forward? Right. So this is called what? Important logics. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept employee number, employee name, which will accept employee number, employee name, and basic salary. So what did you evaluate? By looking at that, what is the logic you are getting now? Employee number should not be 0. Employee number should not be negative. Employee number should be only positive. Suppose if a company employee numbers are 100 to 200, only 100 I have to enter, 200. Less than 100 not also allowed. Greater than 200 also not allowed. Between 100 and 200 only allowed. You got the logic? Right. Next. Name. Anyhow, I'll tell the name validation. Salary is there now. Salary must be what? Should not be zero. Should not be negative. Should be what? Positive. Only positive salary you need to take it. That is also you need to evaluate. Understand, students? Next. Next line. If salary is greater than, if basic salary is greater than, already I told you this logic in the class. If basic salary greater than 10,000, if basic salary greater than 10,000, Prajwala is asking the one question. Shall we do this program in PyCharm? Can't we do it? So you are driving Alto 800, Maruti Alto 800. Can't you drive BMW car or Honda City, something like that? You will drive now. So for Prajwala purpose, I will copy complete Control A, Control C. I'll go to where? Who's that? Prajwala. Actually, you are a good student, Nama. You are asking this doubt means what? I got a doubt. New and then Python file. What is this now? Student report dot what? Py. See, ma, paste it. I did not do anything. Next thought is not there. Control A, Control C, Control V. That's all. Run. Run this code. Run this. Naveen, you see that on the screen you see. Are you taking snacks or what? Audio not coming, you are saying. Are you seeing the screen, Naveen? Naveen 829, etc. Some students. Sunania. So you are not audible. So they are saying that not audible. They are moving here and there in the corridor. Or they are taking snacks without seeing the screen. Naveen, what are you doing, ma? Raining heavily in Karimnagar. Okay. Samyukta is saying that. Audio really not audible. Little last few minutes. Just now came. I did not speak. Now it is audible. Okay, ma. Let's come to the point back. Now enter the student number. Up to here, okay now. Enter the number 100. Name Naveen. Naveen marks I will take now. Marks in C. Naveen, how many? Naveen, how many marks you got it? C language 50. Yeah, okay, 50. Marks in CPP quickly. 60. 60. Marks in Python. Marks in Python 70. Yeah. Because R is there now, that's why. 70. That is his marks. Next I will enter yes. Student number is called what do you know? Student number is called 200. Student name is Prajwala. So, Prajwala. Marks in C language. Prajwala, how many marks you get, ma? Quickly. I'm waiting, ma. Prajwala, say quickly. Not saying. She is fearing. So, actually, she is a good student. 80. Next, C++. How many? Huh? C++, 75. Python. Python, 90. 39. So, no. She's good student. So, Prajwala, 80, okay, 80. So she is first class. Okay, now? Okay. Let it be, ma. Are you executing or not? No, you say. Are you able to execute in everywhere else or not? Once you know one car driving, you can execute everywhere else. There is no issue at all. Don't get doubt about it. Right. Okay, man, need not to say sorry. Nothing to worry about it. But understand one thing you can do. Open the notes. What is happening there? If basic salary greater than 10,000, greater than or equal to 10,000, then if greater than or equal to 10,000, basic sal greater than or equal to 10,000, then give, what I am saying, give. DA is equal to 20% of basic sal. TA is equal to 15% of basic sal. HRA is equal to 16% of basic sal. MA is equal to MA is equal to 2% of basic sal. MA, DA, TA, MA. Some deductions also you will take it, students. Deductions. Deductions means you are saving it for a future purpose. LIC is equal to 2% of basic sal. And next, GPF is equal to same 2% of what? Basic sal. Basic sal. Done. This is 10,000 student. Basic sal greater than or equal to 10,000. Okay. Next line. If basic sal less than 10,000, greater than or equal to that. Less than or equal to 10,000. Less than 10,000. Less than or equal to less than 10,000. Then give. Say 15%. Say here 8%. 8%. Then say here what 7%. Take here 2%. LIC also 1%. Also 1%. Next, calculate net sal. Calculate net sal is equal to what, students? Basic sal plus DA plus TA plus HRA plus MA plus minus of what? LIC plus GPF. I am adding the deductions and subtracting from the benefits. Got it. Next, display the payslip of an employee. Display the payslip of an employee. Payslip of an employee. So payslip will contain what? Employee number, employee name, salary, all those things. DA, TA, HRA, all those things. DA, TRA, HRA, MA. Will you calculate or will you accept from the keyboard? We will calculate because I said na percentage. How do you write this percentage? Basic sal into 50% means what you will write, ma? 50 by 100 you will write or not? Basic sal into 50 by what? 100. You will write like this. Are you getting? Getting, students? Okay. Now, coming to the point back, keep it aside. Now I'll move to further. Net sal, all those things are done. Now I'm going to further moving. This is about one logic. So the thing you need to take is how to evaluate the employee number, basic salary, you take care. That is the main important. Will you do it or shall I do it? Shall I type the code or you will do it? You will do it, huh? Okay, do it. Online students, I hope you will do the coding. You will do. Okay. Now, I'll move to further. One more example. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept a list of palindrome words, which will accept a list of palindrome words, and find highest palindrome length. Find the palindrome which is highest in length. That is the largest palindrome, I need to say. Which is highest in length. In the bracket, largest palindrome. Got it? Huh? Highest palindrome means largest palindrome. Got it? Huh? Look at that. Look at here. I'll take some small exercise. You watch this now. Important students. Take LST is equal to mom. I'll take some data here. Mom. Next dad. Next race car. Next NAN. NAN. Next is called what do you know? Malayalam. Right? Malayalam. Next is called what do you know? Madam. Next I'm having little. This is my data. Right, students? Very good. This is my data. What is an output? Problem, huh? Feeling tired? Then say the answer now. What is the answer now? Malayalam. So I need to print the answer called what? Malayalam. So class work, homework, teacher work, student work. Teacher work. Okay. So good. So now I am going to take up the things. Watch it now. I'll do this now. So teacher work, 100% teacher work. Program for finding largest palindrome. It is also very important, palindrome from what? List of words. Start. Now, I'll take like this. Take this data, students. Take this data. I'm taking. I'll put it here. This is my given data, right? Now I need to find the largest palindrome. First I will find what here? Length I will find. Length I will find. Shall we? Tell me, how do you find the length? For word. In where? LST. Take care. First I will print what you know. Word I will print. Just a testing for you. Because if I write the continuous code, you will get trouble. So what is this now? PALIND. Palindrome. Length. Example1.py. Example2 also I will write it. So try to run this. Out of that, py, this part you take it. I got the words, right? I got the words. Next I will go for what? I got the words. Next I'll go for, I want to find the length also. What do you do the length here? You watch it carefully. Comma, I will write what you know. Window closes. So now I'll go for what? Word. What I will do next? LN of what? Come on. LN of what here? Word. LN of word. Done. LN of word. See what is happening now. Go to the place. Here you see. Mom 3, dad 3. Like that I got it. Okay? Right. It is looking like what? Mom 3, dad 3, race car 7, nan 3. Is it not called key comma value pair? So I have to tell you one Mahabharatam story for you. Why time is not there? I have to start. By looking at the output, you have to come to one conclusion, student. We are full of subject is there, key and then length. Key length like that. This data, I will go for what? This word and this one I will add to the dictionary. See How beautiful subject it is. D is equal to what? Dict of. Why dict of I am taking? Create an empty dictionary. Why to create an empty dictionary? To find the words plus length. I will take it in dictionary. Why? Later I will find out the highest palindrome. How do I do that now? D of word. D of word is equal to what? Key and value pair also. What is the D of word? Key. What is the next term? LN of word is called what? Value. So first word value, key comma value pair is done. This is called adding the data to the empty dictionary. Okay. Once for loop is becoming fail, that is for loop is completed all the words. Print what? D. Print D. Just testing. You see that. Mom 3, dad 3, etc. is coming. Got it, students? How to print the data now? I am writing. Print of what? Names are coming. Plus what is next? Come on. For name, comma what? Come on. L. Something like what you know. Name, comma what? Palindrome name, comma what? Palindrome length. LEN. In where? D dot what? Items. Long ago dictionary is there. Items, copy, keys, get, values. Next is called what? Items, keys, values, copy, pop of item, clear of, so many functions. We don't remember, revise by yourself and get in touch with the subject. This is like this. Dot format of what? P name, comma what? PLEN. 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 It is going to print the data. See students, here output is coming. So written like this. Even you can write else also for this. Because once looping is over, you almost done. Getting or not? From there, I need to print the highest palindrome length is equal to Malayalam. I want to print. Okay now? Right. Now, I'll write beautiful logic. Logic for finding largest palindrome. Largest palindrome. Largest palindrome. Tell me how to do it. Come on. First point, I will take what? Largest palindrome. That means I will get what? Values I will get it. Right or not? These are called values. Since I know the subject of this continuously, these are called what? My sir is asking the big values related highest number. How do I get these values? Only D dot, what is the function name? Values. I will apply what here? Max. Max function I will apply. Max function. How do I go for it? Go to the topic. Come on. Max PL, MPL is equal to max palindrome length is equal to D dot values. Values will come. From there I will get what? Max I will apply. Max is one general function. Sir, now max with sir logic sir, I will write the logic. Print of what? Max palindrome length is equal to what I'll see? Dot format of what? MPL. You see that? Max palindrome length is equal to what? 9. Sir, you are using max. I want to write my own logic. You can do it. What is this is going to print? I hope I will keep it as it is. Just I am saying that if you read the subject, how intelligent you are. D dot values. You print it. From there, of course, MPL you keep it aside. As this you keep it. You do that. What is this now? Is it list of values or not? From there you are getting what? Max palindrome value 9 is coming. Are you following? Right. So you can write your own logic also. You can convert into what here? List also you can convert it. List also you can convert it. List of values I got it. Are you following? Right. From there, you can write your own function also. Instead of using max, you can write your own logic also. So I hope you are understanding me, students. Max palindrome is coming. What is the max palindrome value here? 9. Okay now? Now, shall I move forward? Good. Now I am using, I'll go for applying. 9 is the maximum palindrome. I will compare this 9 with what? Run the logic once. Run the logic. What is my logic? What is the value here? 3. 3 will be compared with what? First word. Compared with what? 9. 9. Is it equal? No. Is 3 equal to 9? Is 7 equal to 9? 3 equal to 9? 9 is equal to 9? Yes, true. Get what? Malayalam. Is 5 is equal to 9? 9, 5 is equal to 5, 9? False. How do you do that? How do you do that? Come on. Huh? What is that? So you cannot speak. So max palindrome name, PAL name is equal to. Now I will write one beautiful logic. What is the logic now? I'll write ternary operator. I will write it. Ternary. Can I write ternary? Without ternary also I can write it. Whatever you say, we'll write it. So without ternary, I will write it. Look at for, tell me, for I say len, that is called what, you know, word len, some name, word len, or dictionary word len, DWLEN, in where D dot what? Values. What are the D values? 3, 3, 7, 3, 9, like that. I will write here for your better understanding. What is that? 3, 3, 3 comma, 3 comma, 7 comma, 3, 3, 7, 3, 9 comma, 5, 5. 5 and then 5. This is my given data or not? What is the DWLEN? Madhubabuలు మీరు చెప్తారా లేదా ఫస్ట్? DWLEN. 1 minute. See the result. Is all the values are coming or not? Compare this value with what? 9. Right or not? What is the MPL value? 9. 9 will be compared with each and every value or not? How do you do that? Now I am taking. And moreover, I will take it. Dictionary word also. DW also I will write it. Here I will write it. One more thing I will write it. Items antanu ikkada malla items. What is this now? DW comma DWN I will take it. Just to see. I am getting these values or not? What is my MPL? 9. I am getting. Ready. Start. Here I will write it. If DWLEN is equal to what? MPL. MPL is called maximum palindrome number or not? If that is the case, what I will do? Break okate gurtundi kabatti okate break. DWLEN is equal to what? MPL. Because only one word is coming. There is a chance of having more than one word, no? If you break it for one word only coming out, what about other words? My dear students, what we will do? Continue. Break agapothe continue. Continue agapothe pause agapothe return agapothe power ayipotadi ippudu. Now what I will do? I will keep that word in the list. I will preserve in the list. What is that? Here I will take it. LST is equal to, or something like what? P list, palindrome list is equal to empty list. Why empty list? Empty list. For empty list. For adding what? For adding largest palindrome name. Largest palindrome name. Tell me, students. LST dot append of DW. That's all. Start now. What is my MPL? 9. What is the DW first time? Mom. And 3. What is the value here? What is the DWLEN? 3. 3 is equal to 9. False. Mom is not appending. Next, please. Another 3. Dad. Dad. 3 is equal to 9. No. 7 is what? Race car. Race car LEN and MPL 9. No. Next 3 and 9. No. 9 is what? Malayalam DW. Malayalam and Malayalam length is 9. 9 is equal to 9. LST dot append of DW. Malayalam. Next what? 5. Madam. Madam and the length is called what? False. Not appending. 5. Literal. Literal is equal to 9. 5 is equal to 9. False. What is appended? No more data. It is done. Coming to for loop else. What I do? Break up. Print the data. Print. What you will print? LST. Just print it. By part I am explaining. What is printed? It is printed. LST, no. PLST I need to print. PLST. Correct or not? PLST I need to write. Not P list. Sorry. P list. P list I need to write. See. Done. What is the answer? Suppose you have like this. You have like this. What is there? Like this. I am having like this. This is the data. What are the highest number of palindromes? Madam and Literal. How many words are there? 2 words. Madam and Literal. Getting? Why I took it less? Because there is a chance of having more than one. That's why I took it that type of thing. Are you following? Now I am saying, here I am writing highest palindrome length print of, what is that? Largest. What is this now? Palindrome. Largest palindrome. I will write it for what? Value in where? P list. I'll print the value there. What is that? I say here. I'll say here. I'll write the name. What is that one? Value I will write it. Simply I will write the value. Now it is finished. Largest palindrome name is equal to what? Value. If you want to print a comma, end is equal to some space I am writing. End is equal to some space I am writing. Is it printed Malayalam there or not? Once you know subject, you can do wonders. Not practicing, only coming to class, nothing will come. Are you following? This is called what? Important question, student. How I did, you need to practice it. Understand? Fine. So now I will stop the session. I'll upload this. Tomorrow class I will introduce. This is called a function loops. So almost 12 days I discussed it. Tomorrow topic is called what? Functions. This will take again what? 8 days it will take. Because this is also one of the most important concept. Functions I will start tomorrow. Don't miss the concept. Okay. Thank you. All the best. Online students, you can hold on to clarify your doubts. Take care. Sharada. Student name is Sharada.
Hello.
Yes, ma, Sharada.
Sir, I did not get this true, which you mentioned in the while loop.
Where?
In this program of student.
Here.
Yeah, this true, sir.
Which line?
First line, while inside while you mentioned true. So how we
Fourth
can check
line
the
or fifth
condition?
line?
First line.
This I am saying that
Yeah.
here I am writing, here the logic is, do you want to insert another student record, another student data? I am saying if this is no, I am repeating once again, I am taking it back to from the beginning onwards, I want to ask once again.
Okay.
Are you asking this number is there now? If the number is wrong, what you are asking again? You are entering again or not? Like that, if they say that, if they say that yes, if we say yes, yes is equal to no, false. False means it is going to the top of the coding.
Okay.
For that, we are writing this while true
Okay, sir. Okay.
right now.
Thank you.
And Dinesh Pradhan.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
I
Dinesh,
just
tell
post
me.
I just post my question in the chat.